Good morning everyone, welcome back to my channel, Creationz. Today I am here with part 1 of animal yoga and its benefits. Pretend to be a cat or a cow, Marjariasana. This breath synchronized pose is beneficial for your body and mind. This simple pose powers up brain, improves focus, coordination and mental stability, improves blood circulation between vertebrae of your spine, relieving back pain and stress. Pretend to be a dog, downward dog, Adho Mukha Svanasana. This pose stretches the lower body, strengthens the upper body, fine turns your foot muscles, stimulates blood flow. Pretend to be an elephant, wide legs standing forward, fold. This pose helps to improve digestion, relieves neck and shoulder tension, relieves back pain, stress and anxiety. Do try this and enjoy the benefits. Like this video and subscribe the channel.